Yet again with another video. Today I'm gonna do a humongous slime. So let's get on the video. First thing I have is a bowl and a water and two humongous glue. Look at this. Look at this. Sorry, this is my sister. I'm gonna just tell her shush. Shush! Okay, and I forgot to bring a seal, so I think I'm gonna go and get it. Okay, I'm back. So I got the hair seal. There we go. Okay, so let's get on the glue. So, look, I have this shaving foam. No, we're not going to make a fluffy slime. Because last time I did it with my cousin, it didn't work. So comment down below. Somebody use it and it worked with them. Just tell me, please. Okay, so I'm going to put, when you tell me, I'm going to see the comments. What did you write? Then I'm going to buy glue and do it. And it didn't work. I'm never going to make it again. I don't know, maybe sometime. Maybe another thing to do it. So, let's do it. Let's pour up the glue. Oh my god. Okay, look at this. Okay, so we're gonna only use one bottle of glue because I need another one. I'm gonna make a slime. This glue in my video, or a Musical.ly, my account is SFKL0011. You can find me over there. Look at this old glue. Oh my god. Look at this. Just look at it. Just look at it. Oh my god. Wow. That's amazing actually. I think that is supposed to be enough of glue. Okay. That's enough. So I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna open the water. For all this. Just 3 times. That's it. Okay. So I'm gonna do it. Mix it up. Mix it up. Wow. That feels super amazing. Okay, so when you finish, you are going to be seeing not any water. You can see this bubbles, yes, but not a design shape like that. You don't want this to happen. Okay. Wow, look at that glue. I'm obsessed with it. Look at that. Okay. Okay, I think I'm finished. I'm gonna add a little bit of it.
You get black.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, this is not gonna work. Okay, I'm telling you right now, this is not gonna work. Okay, that is not gonna work. Okay, that is not gonna work. I'm crazy. Why did I put it? Why this down? Why did I put it? I don't freaking know. I think because we have to also add a baking soda with it. I got baking soda. Hey. So I think I'm gonna add more. it didn't work, I'm gonna do another video with it. But if it didn't work, also I'm gonna upload it. That should be enough. Shaving foam. Some of you will maybe use shaving. I need a little bit of your stick because I think it's not gonna break. Yep, it's not going to work at all. But I saw a YouTuber use this shaving foam. Right shaving foam. I think that all they need that to put a lot of perfume. I think. I don't even know. I think I want to add more. Okay, that is enough. I'm not going to add more. Okay, I swear I'm not going to add more. Okay. I think that's not going to work. I think I have to add more glue. So I think I'm going to add more glue. Like mouse. No. That should be enough. So I think I finished. So today, oh sorry. Here. Sorry, that's my sister. She's noisy all day. She's screaming. I have to and then that is beautiful, satisfying. Look at that. Okay. So I think now I'm gonna add the pursuit. You always have to say Bismillah. Let's add it. Now I'm gonna mix it. It's getting thick. Oh my god, this is working! What the? No, this is not working. This is working. I don't know. Or okay. Insecure. Gotta put up your muscles, baby. Okay, mix it up. I'm tired. I can't. Okay, let's do it. Oh shit. Oh my god. The video's gonna end up right now. Oh my god, I gotta add more. That should be enough. Oh my god, the video's good. Okay, gotta mix it up. Okay, I'm almost finished. Oh, I'm tired. Gotta make some more.
Mama, that hurts.
It's sticky, it's sticky. I gotta add more. Okay, that should be. Okay, that's enough.
Casey cut the
No, it's gonna finish. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. And this after this, tomorrow I'm gonna